नमस्ते, आई एम झलक गोहिल, अ प्राउड मुंबईकर। मैं बचपन से मुंबई में रही हूँ and I've always wanted to become an actor or an aspiring model and that's what I've been doing. Camera is something जो मुझे बहुत पसंद है and my parents have supported me to the core. और one word that makes me a little different and that's for me is the drama mama. You'll find that. Splitsvilla ने बहुत लोगों को प्यार दिया है. I guess that's the reason I am here to find my true ideal match. So you'll wait and watch.
Hi everyone, this is our insider Simran Bahel और मेरे साथ है अभी झलक. Hi झलक, how are you?
I'm doing great, Simran. How have you been?
I am good. So we would like to know more about you. I have few questions. ठीक है, उसका तुम्हें आंसर देना है मैं जल्दी. So my first question to you is, what's the compliment you often get from people?
कि मैं people's person हूँ. I can make you comfortable to the core. So you can never be uncomfortable with me. I'm an extrovert.
Oh, that's nice. And what's the first thing that people notice about you?
My eyes. So my eyes are very talkative. And सबकी नज़र पहले ही मेरी आँखों पे जाती है. तो that's a compliment I always
तो
get.
जैसे सबकी नज़र आपकी आंखों पे सबसे पहले जाती है, तो क्या लोग प्यार में आपसे बहुत जल्दी आपकी आंखें देख के पड़ जाते हैं या फिर there's something else that makes people fall in love with you?
हाँ, बोल सकते हैं आँखें देख के कि काफ़ी innocent लग रही है. But then they get to know everything. So
Okay, तो इन आंखों के पीछे सिर्फ innocence नहीं है.
all the spices and masala सब कुछ है.
If I ask you कि एक मिनट में tell us why you are worthy for this show.
The first main reason is I'm single. I've been heartbroken पहले 2-3 बार heartbroken हूँ, तो that's the main thing. I want to find my true love and that's why I'm here. And obviously Splitsvilla wants more masala, gossip and a drama mama, so I'm here.
Okay, so you are looking for someone to fall in love with.
मिला तो of course why not? That's the reason I'm here.
तो
But
उसमें क्या qualities ढूंढ रहे हो आप?
okay, so basically मैं बहुत understanding हूँ, so I'll understand a situation that needs to come vice versa. Secondly, respect. Respect is the main thing, and of course, the guy needs to be tall and handsome. He needs to have that fitness.
And what is something that you cannot tolerate in them?
Anger. I'm afraid of anger.
Why? Some past experience?
Yeah. So basically, हाँ मतलब बचपन से ही देखा गया है, तो मुझे वो नहीं देखना, and that's why anger is something which I would want to avoid.
So, ऐसी कोई ex की story भी है क्या जिसके पीछे ऐसा कुछ हुआ हो या anger is something related?
हाँ मतलब
We love
you're
to
an
know.
insider. I'll tell you the insider things. तो हाँ मेरे एक्स को बहुत एंगर इश्यूज थे, मतलब इतना नहीं बट थोड़ी छोटी छोटी बातों में इट वाज लाइक grabbing and all. So that's one thing I just want to stay away guy. Just don't come to me. So I love happy people. I'm very jolly. I love jolly people and that's why here I am.
What if that ex comes to this show?
Duh.
What would be
I
your
don't know.
reaction?
I'll be shocked of course, but I don't know you. You don't exist for me, buddy. No.
Finish over.
Yeah,
खत्म मेरी
done.
तरफ से अब तो.
I need my Rajkumar now.
Okay, now we are in search for Rajkumar.
Yeah.
But हर किसी की love life में ना कुछ unusual से या फिर cute से quirks होते हैं. What is your quirk?
मतलब मुझे क्वालिटी टाइम स्पेंड करना अच्छा लगता है. आई एम नॉट अ मटीरियलिस्टिक पर्सन. डोंट गिव मी एक्सपेंसिव गिफ्ट्स. मुझे टाइम दो, छोटी मोटी bare minimum things and I'm okay with that. I'm a very sweet little girl.
Very sweet girl यार. मतलब लड़कियों को लोग ऐसे ही बोल देते हैं कि princess treatment चाहिए होता है. We are happy in there.
लड़कों को चाहिए आज के ज़माने में princess treatment, if you know.
So what has been your love language in love?
My love language is touches. So I'm kind of scared of good or bad touch, but yes, I need you all over me. ऐसे.
So if imagine
Okay.
आपके सामने आपका राजकुमार खड़ा है and you have to impress him in 1 minute. How would you impress him? Like anything works. Flirt, lines, talent, anything goes.
First of all, तो मैं eye contact करूँगी because I know that definitely he'll fall for it. And secondly, I'm somebody मैं upfrontly conversation start कर दूँगी, so I don't mind. I don't want him to be taking the first step. So I'm okay with that.
अच्छा, जब आप प्यार में पड़ जाते हो, तो you play safe or you fall first?
Kind of play safe, but yes, I would keep my emotions first.
Okay. तो मैंने थोड़ी सी बहुत बॉलीवुड लड़की हूँ, तो मुझे ये मूवीज बहुत पसंद आती है बॉलीवुड की, प्यार रोमांस
High five.
है ना?
That's
Same?
me. Yes.
So nice. तो मुझे इसी पे एक बात बताओ, तुम प्यार में किस हद तक जा सकती हो या फिर कोई और तुम्हारे प्यार में किसी हद तक गया है कभी?
स्पाइसी वन तो ठीक है, मैं नहीं गई या मैंने नहीं किया ये सब, लेकिन हाँ मतलब होता था कॉलेज के डेज में था एक लड़का, मतलब कुछ था नहीं हमारे बीच, बट स्टिल उसको 8 साल तक एज इन टिल 2 years बैक ही वाज स्टिल बिहाइंड मी। इतने इंस्टाग्राम आईडीज़ बनाए उसने कि मैं बता नहीं सकती, इतने नंबर लिए उसने नए ताकि वो मुझे सिर्फ मैसेज कर सके, एंड ही वाज इनटू एवरीथिंग, ही जस्ट वांटेड मी टू टॉक टू हिम।
मेल्स पे या फिर किसी पेमेंट ऐप्स पे मैसेज नहीं किया?
मैंने मेल चेंज कर दिया था और पेमेंट ऐप थैंक गॉड मैंने सब जगह ब्लॉक किया, बट लकीली ही डिड नॉट हैव द ब्रेन्स कि वो मुझे वहाँ पे मैसेज कर सके।
स्मार्ट गाय यार, थोड़ी सी और मेहनत कर लेते तो शायद वो रिप्लाई कर देती, बट अब तो
Sorry.
गया हाथ से।
मत आना।
इतना सब हद तक तुम जा चुकी हो, देख चुकी हो दूसरे को जाते हुए अपने प्यार में, तो इस टाइटल के लिए किस हद तक जा सकती हो तुम?
Everything what I can do because this is what I'm here for. I would want to win it with my person, जो मेरे को मिले, hopefully मिल जाए. And yes, we would try and give everything to the show कि हम जीत पाए.
Okay, what kind of a relationship you're looking for?
Something which Justin Sakshi have. I
Sweet,
love
sweet
them.
couple.
They are cute too. And yes, Justin has been adorable. तो उसके जैसा अगर कोई मिला तो of course. माता रानी की
भगवान से
कृपा.
प्रार्थना चल रही है अभी से। अच्छा, ऐसी कौन सी चीज़ है जो किसी को पता नहीं है तुम्हारे बारे में?
I am an open book. There's nothing. But बस मैं एंगर बोलती हूँ कि मुझे एंगर नहीं चाहिए, तो तुम मेरा गुस्सा भी मत देखना. I'm very bad at it.
मतलब ये टॉक्सिक ट्रेट हमें सामने वाले में नहीं चाहिए, लेकिन वो
नहीं, मेरा भी नहीं निकलेगा. But that's something which I'm working on. So yeah,
हैव यू प्रिपेयर्ड सम स्ट्रैटेजी या फिर कोई गेम प्ले?
I'll just be myself. That's my strategy. I don't want to fake it to make it. So that's my strategy.
रियल कनेक्शन वर्क्स।
Yeah, of course.
साक्षी।
We love
अच्छा,
you.
अगर तुम्हारा कनेक्शन बन जाता है, यू सेड कि यू फॉल इन लव एंड देन यू आर वेरी प्रोटेक्टिव इन एवरीथिंग, तो तुम्हारे कनेक्शन पे अगर कोई और हिट करेगा आके, तो व्हाट वुड बी योर रिएक्शन?
I'm a boss, bro. You can't do that. That's my man. If my man wants to go, then she's taking my problem, not my man.
ओह, आउट हो गया ये तो। अच्छा, इस शो में रहने के लिए क्या तुम फेक कनेक्शन बनाओगी आगे जाने के लिए, और यू आर जस्ट फाइंडिंग रियल लव?
No, I would not do it. As I told you, I would not fake it to make it. So I would not. I'll just be myself. And yeah, that's it.
अच्छा, if you will be yourself and you will not fake it, what is worse, being dumped or being ignored?
Dumped. Ignorance is fine. मैं एक दिन में भूल जाऊंगी. Dump is I can't. मुझे याद रहेगा वो कि oh fuck I was drunk. Oh I'm sorry for that language.
It's fine, it's real, it's your emotions, and
Yeah.
I'm happy you're expressing
That's my
that.
favorite word to say.
So nice. मुझे बस एक लास्ट मसालेदार क्वेश्चन
Yes.
पूछना है, क्योंकि मेरा बहुत मन कर रहा है पूछने का। कोई फेटिश है तुम्हारा? होगा, थोड़ा सा तो आ रहा है धीरे धीरे बाहर।
ऐसे तो there's one thing which I do, as in if it's my guy, he actually needs to smell good because I like to smell.
Okay.
तो मैं अगर बाइक पे भी बैठी हूँ, so I'll be like this close and I like that smell. So I'm sorry, but yeah, that's me.
इसका मतलब अगर तुम्हें चाहिए तो अच्छे परफ्यूम लेना शुरू कर दो।
Exactly.
You need to smell good. Thank you so much, I guess. अब हम बहुत कुछ जानते हैं आपके बारे में. So moving forward, we have a game for you, जिसका नाम है Check It और Chuck It.
Okay, cool. So check it, chuck it.
Yes.
Cool.
It's a rapid fire kind of a round. I'll ask
Okay.
you a few questions. उस पे आपको फटाक से मुझे बताना है कि it's a check it for you or chuck it for you.
Okay.
With a reason. Okay?
Cool.
So imagine these questions are around your boyfriend. So it's what if your boyfriend always checks your phone?
Chuck it, guys. Trust नहीं है. मतलब ठीक है, कभी कभार कर दिया. It's fine because I'm a loyal person. I'm sorry. If you want to do it, you can expect the same thing. But I would not allow that.
What if your boyfriend shares your toothbrush?
Kinda check it. But no, ew, that's bad. No, I'll give him 2 toothbrushes.
Abhi
Chal.
she said कि I love the smell. The boy should smell
Smell,
good.
not the bad breath or whatever. He should not bad breath, but still.
Okay.
Toothbrush is hygiene, yeah. थोड़ा तो सभी करना होता है, वरना क्या ही.
What if he flirts when he is drunk with other girls?
Chuck it, please. Zoom in. I'm sorry, मैं उसको छोड़ नहीं रही अकेले जब वो drunk है.
Good girl यार, बहुत संस्कारी लड़की है ये तो. Friends with his ex?
Chuck it. You need to leave your past there. I'm your future, your present. Come back to me.
Prompts in uploading story, but is very slow when it's replying to your text.
I'm somebody I love texting, so it's a chuck it for me.
Insists on sharing passwords?
Yeah, check it. It's fine. There's nothing to hide. It's
You
a
too.
relationship.
You
There's
too.
nothing to hide.
Wants to know your live location.
I've had that. Check it.
Mama's boy.
Check it. I love Mama's boy.
PDA lover.
But yeah, check it
went
or
from
check
this
it.
to
I don't
this.
know. I mean, see, if you're in public as well, if he, as I told you, my love language is a touch. हाथ पकड़ के चलना, ये करना, वो करना, that's fine, but not too much cringy. So, I cannot decide.
Okay, it's beach ka.
हाँ, yeah, it's beach का.
If the guy says I love you too soon.
See, it's kind of in middle because I don't mind him falling for me, but I will take my time.
If he talks dirty to you in serious moments.
It's funny. I need funny people. It's funny. That's humor, bro. It's कभी-कभी it's fine. Not every single time. मतलब एकदम.
सोचो डोम में तुम कलेश कर रही होगी खड़े होगी और पीछे से बोल रहा है बेबी लेट्स गो टुडे. It's fine.
तो मेरा गुस्सा कंट्रोल हो जाएगा. मुझे गुस्सा कंट्रोल करवाना था. तो हो गया वो मेरे बंदे को पता है and he'll do
क्या
it.
क्यूट कपल बनेगी ये जिसके साथ भी जाएगी ये.
So it depends on the situation too, Simran. But
Okay.
yeah, don't mind.
Okay. What if he's a struggler who makes ends meet?
I feel it's check it. Why? Because I've been a struggler myself. I would not judge anybody on it and definitely struggle कर रहे हैं तो फल मिलने वाला है. So I'm the फल and rest is the future.
She's the fun and this is the future, guys.
So I would not judge.
This was a really, really, really fun game with you. इसके बाद में एक game और खेलेंगे हम.
Okay.
So I'll tell you some props. You need to select one of them based on your personality. Okay?
Okay, cool.
Yeah. So the props are handcuffs, blindfold, feather tickler, mirror, heels, playing cards, candle, hunter, lollipop or banana. So what's your answer?
I'm very soft like a feather.
Okay.
So that's me.
Okay. Here you go.
Ooh.
क्या मैजिक करने लग गई हूँ मैं भी.
I'm very ticklish. Oh.
Okay. But why feather tickler?
Just because I am ticklish with this. Secondly, it's pretty. ये अलग-अलग होके भी एक साथ जब आते हैं, they're like. So that's me. I have different personalities, but together when I come, I'm a blast for you all.
Okay. So one message that you would love to give to all the boys in the villa.
So guys, you all are waiting for me. You need the masala and that's me. You need a sweet little simple girl, but I'm a boss for you. So I'm on my way.
ये मैसेज तो हो गया तुम्हारे कनेक्शंस जो बन सकते हैं उनके लिए. एक मैसेज जो लड़कियां हैं बाकी की विला में उनको भी दे दो.
I would not overpower you. You want to do it, you do it. But if I start my game, you'll just start from back. So that's me.
Ouch. Hurts, no?
Kinda.
Yeah.
For them, I know. I can hear it.
Okay. Last message for all your fans, the people who are watching you.
So आप लोग को मैं ज़रूर पसंद आऊँगी. Hopefully. तुम्हें मसाला चाहिए, तुम्हें एक sweet little simple लड़की चाहिए और a romantic girl. Please love me a lot and you all will see who I am in the show. I would be my true self. So
Thank you so much, Salak. It was great having you. All the best for the show.
Thank you.
Say bye-bye
likewise.
to everyone.
Bye.